Meet Hannah. She's a young professional. Like many people in multifamily housing, Hannah uses a common area laundry room, and for that purpose, she needs a lot of coins. Gathering coins to do laundry is a challenge and a painful chore, often more difficult than doing the laundry itself. Because of this pain, Hannah may do fewer loads, skip laundry day altogether, or find alternatives which cost you, the laundry operator, lost revenue. PayRange is a solution to improve the competitiveness of your vended laundry with features such as mobile payment, convenience, and marketing. PayRange allows your consumers to do laundry on their schedule, taking advantage of time-saving features. They can remotely view availability and even reserve a machine. After starting their loads, the PayRange app will tell them how much time is remaining in their laundry cycle. They can even go back to their apartment and be automatically notified when their laundry is done. PayRange is an innovator and pioneer. We're not just a payment solution. We're a total solution that improves the full consumer experience. PayRange is about laying the infrastructure. We have a small Bluetooth device in the machine, and then we leverage the user's smartphone for connectivity, saving you money. For you, the operator, this means a lift in sales, reduction in cost, improved loyalty, and happy customers. With features like promotions and loyalty points, you'll offer an experience that draws your consumers to do smaller loads more often, earning you increased revenue. Hannah is using the PayRange app, which makes her laundry days less stressful. With a better experience and time-saving features, she no longer considers laundry day a painful chore. PayRange is here to make life easier for consumers and grow your revenue. Visit www.payrange.com for more information.